Hello drama lovers. Welcome back to my channel. No one expected Sukai's trophy celebration would end with news that shook the entire entertainment world. His beloved wife, Tan Songyun, is pregnant. The 2025 Shanghai TV Festival was already destined to be a night to remember. With the red carpet lit up like a sea of diamonds and the world's most dazzling stars gathering under one roof, anticipation buzzed through every camera lens. But as Sukai's name echoed across the grand hall, the cheers became deafening. He wasn't just taking home a trophy, he was cementing his legacy. His latest drama had captured hearts across Asia and beyond. But tonight, his eyes sparkled not with pride alone, but with a secret joy he could barely contain. As he stood on stage, holding the award with a steady hand, his gaze kept drifting to one person in the crowd. Tan Songyun, radiant in a flowing white dress that hid just the faintest curve of new life, was there by his side. Their eyes met. A tiny smile passed between them. And suddenly, it was as if the entire world slowed down, witnessing two souls sharing a life-changing moment. The audience was electric, but in that split second, Sukai and Tan Songyun were in a universe of their own. Fans watching from home felt it too, the air practically vibrating with something deeper than glamour or fame. It was love, raw and real, breaking through the spectacle. What happened next made this night truly unforgettable. After the ceremony, Sukai and Tan Songyun were escorted backstage, and for a brief moment, hidden from the cameras, they embraced. A staff member's phone caught the tender moment. Sukai resting his hand protectively on her small baby bump, Tan Songyun laughing softly with tears in her eyes. That clip, barely 10 seconds long, exploded across social media. Fans across China, Korea, and the world couldn't believe it. The power couple wasn't just giving them dramas worth swooning over, they were living their own perfect love story. The excitement felt like a gift to millions who had followed their journey since they first shared the screen. Their chemistry was so palpable even then, but no one could have predicted it would lead here. Two stars finding love, choosing each other, and now starting a family. For many fans, it felt like a win of their own, a reminder that sometimes, real life is better than any drama. As they exited the venue, reporters tried to get a comment, but Sukai simply wrapped his arm around Tan Songyun's shoulders, shielding her from the chaos. His smile said everything. The usually stoic actor was glowing with pride and tenderness. Meanwhile, Tan Songyun waved shyly at the cameras, her expression softer than fans had ever seen. It wasn't an official press release, but it didn't need to be. In that walk to their car, they told the world their love was true, their happiness was real, and they were ready to embrace the future together. That single moment became the photograph every outlet rushed to publish. And fans, they started planning congratulatory projects, from billboard ads to charity donations in the couple's name. The love story of Sukai and Tan Songyun is more than just a headline, it's proof that in an industry where relationships are often fleeting and news cycles are cruelly fast, something genuine can still bloom and endure. They've faced the spotlight, the rumors, and the intense pressure of celebrity life. Yet here they are, stronger and more united than ever. Their journey is a testament to resilience, to choosing love over fear, and to building a life even when the world watches your every move. For fans who have laughed and cried through their dramas, tonight's revelation feels like a promise that fairy tales can come true, and sometimes, our favorite stars find their happily ever after not just on screen, but in the arms of each other. As Sukai and Tan Songyun step into this new chapter of parenthood, we celebrate them not just as icons of talent and beauty, but as a reminder of what it means to love boldly and live authentically. And to everyone still dreaming of a story like theirs, remember, the most beautiful moments are often the ones we least expect. As dawn broke the next morning, social media was still on fire. Hashtags related to Sukai and Tan Songyun's joyous news were trending in multiple countries, from China and South Korea to Thailand, Indonesia, and beyond. Fan accounts shared clips of their onstage and backstage moments, each edit more creative and touching than the last. TikTok was flooded with reaction videos of fans crying, smiling, or simply speechless as they processed the news. For many, this wasn't just celebrity gossip. It was a source of hope, a reminder that love could thrive in even the most public, high-pressure environments. Entertainment journalists scrambled to confirm details. Some media outlets speculated on the baby's due date or gender. Others dove into the timeline of their relationship, tracing it from their earliest days as co-stars to that night of quiet triumph. But what made this story stand out wasn't scandal or drama, it was the lack of it. In an industry often defined by rumors, breakups, and betrayals, Sukai and Tan Songyun had given the world a rare, genuine fairytale. Their love had grown away from the spotlight until it was strong enough to withstand it. That fact alone made it even more inspiring. Producers and networks, sensing the tidal wave of goodwill, reportedly began discussing offers for special interviews or even a documentary exploring their relationship. Some fans hesitated, worried the increased attention might pressure the couple. But the majority agreed that, if Sukai and Tan Songyun chose to share more of their story, it would become an instant cultural phenomenon. Industry insiders noted that advertisers were already reaching out with potential endorsements, hoping to capture the warmth the couple radiated. Meanwhile, artists, musicians, and creative fans poured their emotions into tributes. A piano cover of the theme song from their first drama together went viral, set to a montage of their sweetest moments. Digital illustrators crafted stunning artwork depicting Sukai holding Tan Songyun with ethereal, dreamy backgrounds, their future babies symbolized by glowing stars or delicate blossoms. These creations weren't just pretty, they were raw, sincere, and carried a piece of every fan's heart. Fan communities organized group letters and congratulatory gifts. Some planned to send custom-made baby clothes embroidered with loving messages. Others arranged for LED ads in popular shopping districts to share their blessings. Charitable projects sprang up, too. Donation drives supporting maternal health, children's education, and women's shelters, fans giving back to society in honor of the couple they adored. This wasn't simply a fandom celebration, it was a movement of kindness and unity. Industry veterans praised Sukai and Tan Songyun for their grace,